PN conductor we did. Till I think junction we did. Na? Boundary between PN junction is called. Boundary between P and N type semiconductor is called PN junction. That we have done, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Now, PN junction in unbiased state. PN junction in unbiased state. See, whenever in electronic circuit we say biased means connected to battery, unbiased means not connected to anything. So in unbiased state, due to high concentration of charges near the junction, the charges at the junction diffuse with each other and forms immobile ion. Forms immobile ion. They form immobile ion. N side has lost the negative electron and becomes positively charged. P side, after losing positive hole, becomes negatively charged. Hence, potential is developed near the junction called as barrier potential. Called as barrier potential. And layer developed which are diploid of charges is called as depletion layer. Symbolically, PN junction is represented as shown. This is triangle. Arrow indicates direction of current from positive to negative. So this is P side, N side. So in unbiased state, due to high concentration of charges, charges diffuse with each other, forming immobile ion. N has lost negative electron becomes positive. P has lost positive hole becomes negative. At the junction, we get barrier potential and depletion layer. For germanium, barrier potential equal to 0.3 volt. For silicon, barrier potential is 0.7 volt. So these two values are very much essential. Whenever PN junction is connected in circuit, you remember this is like resistance, which will take 0.3 volt for allowing current if germanium and 0.7 volt for allowing current silicon. If it is given ideal, ideal means it will not take any voltage. Just draw this diagrams, then we are writing. In fact, everything we have written if you have understood the diagram. Have you understood? P becomes what? With charge? P becomes with charge?
Negative.
Negatively charged. N becomes
Positively.
positively charged. And what is present at the junction? Immobile ion. And layer obtained is called depletion layer. No free charge. And potential develop is barrier. देखो उल्टा है, n side plus p side minus, तो इधर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऐसा एक्ट होएगा from n to p. Symbolic representation, value of barrier potential for germanium and silicon I have given. Right. Draw the diagram and write below that. फोन कंटिन्यूस बात करते हो कि कौन किसका फोन आता है आपको इतना? फोन किसका आता है आपको इतना? अरे वो लोग को बोलने का मैं ऑफिस में रहता हूँ, ये टाइम के बीच में फोन करो खाली, लंच टाइम के बीच में। वो समझा दो ना, सामने वालों को क्या मालूम आपका कंडीशन कैसा रहेगा ना। उसको मैं काम में बिजी रहता हूँ, आप मुझे खाली 2 से 3 के बीच में फोन करो, नहीं तो आप मेरा काम अटक जाता है ना, आपका फोन एंगेज होता है तो। चलो फटाफट लिखो आंसर। 38 का बताता हूँ, नहीं अभी तक बताया। 39 लिखो, बी फॉर बॉम्बे। क्या रामायण क्या दे किसका मतलब है? 39 का बी, 40 का सी फॉर कलकत्ता, 41 का डी फॉर डोंकी, 42 का बी फॉर बॉम्बे, 43 का दिल्ली, 43 दिल्ली, 44 बॉम्बे, 45 बताता हूँ। तो अभी जितना आपके पास है ना उतना भेज दो, फिर जो जो गैप रहेगा मैं उसको सॉल्व करके आपको तुरंत बता दूंगा। मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, 28 का बाकी नहीं, 38 का बाकी, 38। हाँ तो आप पूरा वो टाइप कर दो, वो मुझे भेज दो। तो मुझ पर अभी तो अभी डालोगे ना यार, कैसे क्या कर दिया, अभी जो बोला तो अभी डालोगे क्या ना? ठीक है, तो फिर डाल मुझे भेज दो, तो जो गैप दिखेगा उसको मैं सॉल्व करके आंसर आपको बोल दूंगा, 2 मिनट का काम है। ठीक है।
Sir,
या
can you repeat this part?
विच पार्ट?
Barrier potential.
अच्छा एक मिनट, ये पूरा डायग्राम बना लो फिर लिखा देता हूँ। पूरा पूरा डायग्राम बना लो, उसका नीचे नीचे जो लिखा है दैट यू राइट, फिर डिक्टेट करता हूँ।
Yes, sir.
ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, इनफैक्ट ये चैप्टर ही बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, लगता है सबको इजी है।
Done, sir.
Now right, I'm dictating in words. Can I clear this screen? Yes, can we clear the screen?
Yes, sir.
Right. In unbiased state, due to high concentration of charges near junction, the side loses positive holes and becomes negatively charged, and n side loses negative electrons and becomes positively charged. Thus, potential is developed near junction called as barrier potential, which I told for germanium it is 0.3 volt, and for silicon 0.7 volt. So if ideal given, don't take any voltage. Not ideal, you should know germanium 0.3 volt खा लेगा and silicon 0.7 खाएगा. The layer developed near junction which contains immobile ions are diploid of charges called as depletion layer. Right. Okay. Now see, hardly 4 months are left out. 4 to 5 months for you to become doctor. हेलो, क्या बोल रहे हैं? हाँ, अभी है 1:30 को करता हूँ कॉल. हाँ हाँ. थोड़ा मत गर्म पानी से भी पोंछ दो. कपड़ा है, गीला कपड़ा में पोंछ दो. Written?
Yes, sir.
Now we said unbiased, then this is possibility. Unbiased means battery is connected or battery is not connected. Battery is connected or battery is not connected. Hello? Unbiased means battery is connected or battery is not connected.
Not connected.
Battery is not connected. And biased means battery is connected. There are two types of biasing. First one is called as forward biased. Forward biased. So we have to study what happens during forward bias and reverse biased. So this is PN junction. When P is connected to positive terminal and N is connected to negative terminal of battery, then it is called forward biased PN junction. During forward biased, positive hole, positive terminal supplies positive hole to P side. Hence, it gains positive hole. Slowly barrier potential reduces to zero. So which was negative, by getting positive, 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 finally it becomes zero. Negative terminal supplies negative electron to N side. Hence, it gains electron and finally becomes zero. A stage is reached when barrier potential becomes zero, depletion layer vanishes, charges starts crossing the junction and current flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal. This is forward biased PN junction. Understood meaning forward biased PN junction? In forward biased, P side is connected to positive terminal and N side is connected to negative terminal of battery. During forward biased, current flows from positive to negative. So whenever you have to check what is current flowing, first check whether it is forward or reverse. If reverse, whatever may be the battery connected, current flowing is zero. So just draw this diagram and write this essential points. Also resistance decreases. Resistance. Yes, done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we can say in forward biased, the charges diffuse with each other. That means they come closer. Reverse biased. When P side is connected to negative terminal, N side is connected to positive terminal of battery, then negative terminal drifts out the positive hole and positive terminal drifts out the negative electron. Thus, barrier potential increases, depletion layer widens, and current does not flow in the circuit. So we can say in reverse biased PN junction, P is connected to negative terminal and N is connected to positive terminal. Hence, negative terminal drifts out, positive hole, and positive terminal drifts negative electrons. Thus, barrier potential increases, depletion layer widens, and current does not flow through the circuit. Thus, it behaves like open circuit. It behaves like open circuit with infinite resistance. Copy to this. Draw diagram and copy to this. On 15/3/21, that is coming Monday, test on semiconductor and electromagnetic waves. Then on 15th, I will give you planner for 1 week with test. Completed full writing. Yes, completed writing.
Yes, sir.
Rectifier. Rectifier. What is this type of voltage or current called as? Alternating or DC?
Alternating.
Alternating. Alternating means which changes its sign after every half cycle. What is this called? This is called pure. It's called pure DC. Okay. And if it is this way then, or this way then,
Variable DC.
pulsating DC this one, or this way. It's called pulsating DC. Pure DC means never changing the magnitude direction both. Pulsating means direction is not changing, magnitude is changing. So just write down this rough diagram to understand meaning. Alternating, pure, pulsating. Now what is rectifier? This also I'm writing. Rectifier is a device which converts alternating to direct. Means alternating current or alternating voltage to direct current or direct voltage. हेलो हाँ दीपक भाई। अच्छा मैं या तो जीपे कर देता हूँ या आपको 4 बजे तक लाके कैश। Yes, written full with diagram. Rectifier
Yes,
is
sir.
device which will convert alternating to direct. Shall I clear Paul?
Yes, sir.
Now, there are two types of rectifier. There are two types of rectifier. First is called half wave rectifier. And second is called full wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier. The alternating source which is to be rectified is connected across primary terminal P1 P2 of step down transformer. Secondary terminal S1 is connected to P side of junction diode D. N side is connected to secondary terminal S2 through load resistance RL, across which output is to be obtained. Now, when S1 becomes positive with respect to S2, then this junction diode will conduct current from positive to this negative to A to B. So this is behaving like positive terminal, negative terminal across output. When S1 is negative with respect to S2, then junction diode does not conduct the current through load resistance. So we can see it conducts the current only for positive half cycle of input. Okay, just do this much, then I'm explaining further. Two types of rectifier, draw this diagram. See, there might be a lot of disturbance. I think it's only for today. From tomorrow onwards, no disturbance. Or I will shift my location.
Done, sir.
So there are two types of rectifier. Just now we saw half wave rectifier. It conducts only when S1 is positive with respect to S2. That is for positive half cycle of input. So if this is input, we get output only for positive half cycle of input. Hence, half wave rectification is obtained. So either it will give output only for positive half, or for negative half also we can make, but not for both. So this is input across primary terminals, and output is across load resistors. So these are also few simple things can be asked. Input is across what and output is across what. Write 3 lines and draw the diagram. Yes, done. Full.
Yes.
Full wave rectifier. The alternating source which is to be rectified is connected across primary terminal AB of center tap. It is called center tap step down transformer. Center tapping ensures that we get division of voltage in equal half. S1, S2 are connected on P sides of junction diode D1, D2. N sides are joined together and their common point E is connected to center tap C through load resistance RL, across which output is obtained. Across load resistance RL. Now when S1 is positive, current will flow from S1, P1, N1, E, F, G, C and back to S1. During this cycle, this is not conducted. So current goes from F to G, this is plus, this is minus. But when S2 is positive, then D2 conducts the current from S2, P2, N2, E, F, G back to C and S2. During this cycle, S1 is not conducted. So we see that current flows through load resistance RL from F to G for both half cycle of input. For both half cycle of input. This is for D1, D1. This output is D1, D1. This output is for D2, D2 conducting. Have you followed? Hello? Have you followed this properly?
Yes, sir.
Current always flows through load resistance RL in same direction. Therefore, it is called full wave rectification. Yeah, please do this much. In that semiconductor part, this coming week test, I told I will keep test on semiconductor and electromagnetic waves. एक छोटा सा part में electric field and force include कर देता हूँ from electrostatics, so that this also you are revising. Electric field and force.
Sir, what does center tapping do?
Center tap will divide the voltage into two equal half. एक मिनट इधर एग्जांपल बता. सपोज ये रेजिस्टेंस है, ठीक है, इधर 10 वोल्ट है, इधर 2, तो इधर कितना वोल्ट आ गया? 8 वोल्ट आया. तो बीच में अगर वायर कनेक्ट कर दो तो इधर एक बल्ब किया, इसको भी 4 वोल्ट मिलेगा और दूसरे साइड वाले बल्ब को भी 4 वोल्ट मिलेगा.
Okay, sir.
नहीं तो क्या होगा, ये ज्यादा ग्लो होएगा, ये डिम, ऐसा उल्टा सुल्टा होगा. So to have equal balance output for both half cycle of input, we have center tapping. Better back. मनवीत, हाँ मनवीत वो है ना. हाँ नहीं, किससे बात हुआ था उनको? नहीं फिजिक्स का कुछ नहीं करना, बात ही नहीं हुआ. पहले लेके गए क्या वो? पहले लेक जो देना था ना, एक बार अपने स्पीड का बनाया था, याद है? हाँ तो वही देना है. लेके जा रहेगा तो नहीं देना है. हाँ. Is completed?
Yes.
Full completed. Can I clear entire screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, then output of full wave is double of half wave. Output of full wave is double of half wave. IV characteristics of PN junction. IV characteristics of PN junction. So when you increase the voltage up till 0.3 for germanium, nothing will flow, and then current starts increasing during forward bias, and during reverse bias no current flows up to certain voltage, then current drastically flows due to leakage current or minority carrier. ये voltage को बोलते हैं breakdown voltage. So just draw this two diagram. Next class we'll do detail what is breakdown voltage. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
That's all for today. See, I have given you work also. Not only semiconductor, you are also having test on